Have you been applying for jobs and wondering why you're not getting interviews? The answer might not be your experience. It could be your resume. Today, we're looking at MyPerfectResume, one of the most popular resume building platforms online. But is it really one of the best ATS-friendly resume builders in 2026? Let's find out. First, what exactly is MyPerfectResume? MyPerfectResume is an online resume and cover letter builder designed to help job seekers create professional resumes quickly, even if they've never written one before. Instead of starting with a blank document, the platform walks you through the entire process step by step. You simply choose a template, enter your work experience, education, and skills, and the system helps build the resume for you. One reason MyPerfectResume is so popular is its focus on ATS compatibility. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, which is software many employers use to scan resumes before a recruiter ever sees them. The platform's templates are designed to work well with these systems, while still looking professional to hiring managers. Now let's talk about the best features. One of the biggest advantages is the huge collection of resume templates and examples. Whether you're applying for a marketing role, customer service position, engineering job, or healthcare career, you'll find industry-specific examples that can save a lot of time. Another useful feature is the pre-written content library. Instead of struggling to write job descriptions or achievement statements, the platform provides suggestions that you can customize to match your experience. MyPerfectResume also includes AI-assisted writing tools that help improve wording and strengthen resume sections. For job seekers who need more than just a resume, there's also a cover letter builder that uses a similar guided process. The platform even includes resume review tools and career resources to help users improve their job applications. Now let's talk about pricing. MyPerfectResume often provides an introductory trial option for new users. However, most advanced features require a premium subscription. Paid plans generally unlock unlimited downloads, access to all templates, cover letter creation tools, resume checks, and additional customization options. Pricing may vary depending on promotions and location, so it's always a good idea to review the latest subscription details before signing up. So, what are the downsides? First, pricing is probably the most common complaint. Some users report being surprised when trial periods convert into recurring subscriptions if they don't cancel in time. Second, while the content suggestions are helpful, some users feel they can sound generic without personal editing. And third, advanced users may want more customization options than the platform currently offers. On the positive side, users consistently praise how fast and easy the platform makes resume creation. Many people are able to build a polished, professional resume in less than an hour. The ATS-friendly templates are also frequently mentioned as a major advantage. So, is MyPerfectResume worth it? My honest opinion is yes, especially for beginners, students, career changers, and anyone who wants a professional resume without spending hours formatting documents. Final verdict, MyPerfectResume is still one of the best ATS-friendly resume builders in 2026. It's easy to use, packed with helpful templates, and provides a streamlined experience for job seekers who want to create strong resumes quickly. If you'd like to try MyPerfectResume for yourself, I've left the link in the description below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which website or AI tool you'd like me to review next.